Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is June 5th, and this is your aftermarket update. Your market maker levels, our market maker levels today really were the star of the show in both of these markets today. In fact, the ES, which I'm about to show you, I did not actually take a trade over there today. And in hindsight being 2020, I wish that I would have. The reason that I did not take a trade over on the ES today is I don't like to be in opposite directions of the market So in other words, I don't like to be short in one market and long in the other, and I was already in a short position at the time that we had one of our market maker level patterns occur. And that pattern is what we call kick the signal and pay the target. And here this daily structure signal got to within, came right down into the signal and then took out the target up above. That's a 5.5 point move. One thing I want you to notice, if you look at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, the entire range for today was only 6 points. So 5.5 of these points were made on this kick the signal, pay the target. And this is exactly the idea that you look for when you are trading here on the ES. These market maker levels, really, these market maker levels contain the price action for the entirety of the day. So if you just draw these out, again, 6 points of total range, 5.5 points on kick the signal and pay the target on the ES. Again, I did not take this trade today. Hindsight being what it is, I would have taken that trade. But again, that was a long position, and I was already involved in shorts on the CL. And again, I don't like to go, if you know me or you've been around in the trading room, you know I don't like to go in opposite directions of these two markets specifically. So again, we had this revision signal today. And it also has the kick the signal, pay the target kind of idea. And so we had gotten in short. Well, first thing we did is our first trade of the day was long down here around this 0-0 level. We were looking here long at 0-0, and I actually got taken out to the tick, maybe a little bit deeper, one tick deeper on this 40. I think I was in at 47 long. Maybe I was in at 99. Either way, I got taken out right before it rallied up to what this area here, which was going to be our target. So if you take a look here at this 40 down to 30, this was an area of significant price action. We thought that the market would rally back into that zone, and eventually it does. So we were looking short today in between this revision signal and this revision target. Our first time short was this 34 area. Again, that's right in the middle of this congestion area. And we were looking for our first shorting opportunity there. Market rallies up into that area right there at 34, and then begins the sell-off to the downside. All right, so we then look to get short again. After this second attempt, it comes down just a little bit, takes us out at break even, and then rallies up into our revision target, and this is where we actually get short one more time right at this 34 area. We were looking to target down here to 74, and it did not. The market did not quite make it. But what it did do is come down here to this revision signal, and it is where I get taken out down here from a 34 down to 95 right in that area. And that is going to be our trade of the day. Actually, the market pushes a little deeper, comes back and forth, and then I get taken out right around 95. So that is going to be our trade of the day video here for you. We should have been in short from 34 down to around 94. That would have been 40 ticks down to that revision signal. As it was, I got in again a second time at 16. So what you're going to see is the first time me getting in at 34, and then I get taken out. I don't show you that whole trade. I get taken out, and then I jump back in at the revision mid right here at 16. I actually get in at 15, and then the market sells off down into this area here. So what could have been a 40 tick trade ended up being a 20 tick trade. And then I had a couple of small winning trades beyond that, and we ended up getting out of here on a Monday with a really nice 62 total ticks on the day. So it's been a really good. That is a really good way to start the week on a Monday. We know that the higher lows for the week on the CL get made on Monday or Tuesday, and this was an opportunity to take advantage of this choppy market. So I'm going to let you watch. The first entry you're going to see is where I tried to get in at 34, or where I did get in at 34. Eventually I get taken out. Then you're going to see me re-enter at the revision mid market maker level there at 16 and carry the market on down for the trade of the day. So without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the day. To the revision target up there. and stopped. I think this is going to now be the push we're looking for to the downside here. We're going to see here. You've got liquidity up here at 40. My stop is 44. We've got to get back through 29.28 here. It's 16. All right, I'm going to short 16. Short 16. All right, so you saw that the original entry was there at 34. Comes down into that 95, 94 area down below. Would have been a 40 tick trade as it was. We got in again at 15 for 20 ticks. So basically cut that move just about in half on the pullback. I did get out at plus 5 ticks, so really just left about 15 times 2 on the table. And it happens sometimes, but again, like I said, for a Monday, we're perfectly happy with a total of 62 ticks total on the day. So again, we had that trade plus a couple of other small winners, and it was a very good trading day. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.